on how I like this is a basic on how I like you to set up a document. I've used an example of a book, and it's really what I call like how to build your book out on the left-hand side. And the first thing, I'm going to shut this down. Let's say you're in Word. This is what it looks like. What I want you to try and do is find what we call the navigation pane. It's either under View, and you're going to find it there, navigation pane, or you may find it like there, View, header, no, sidebar, navigation. Either which way, what we're looking for is this thing on the left here. And when you go to the left, you can either go up and down like this, and you see all your pages, which is how people generally jump around a very big document like a book. But this is more useful for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to use that. And then what we've got down here is the whole layout and structure of your book. The whole thing, okay? I like a book in 3 parts or parts to a book, and that's more for you as the author than the reader in a way. So I'm going to do that. How do I get these big headings or any of these headings? I'm going to go do this. I want you to assume that this is going to be a heading. It's going to be a section in the book. You're going to highlight it. You're going to go back to home, and you're going to make it a heading. The headings are here in mine. You'll find them in yours. I only use heading 1 or heading 2. Don't get into headings 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to make this heading 2. This is called We Are Fast Moving. And you are going to find We Are Fast Moving somewhere here or not, but it should be there. Let's see. If I can't see it, I'm going to go and make it a heading 1 because that's a bigger heading, right? And there, look, it's jumped down there. So then I see it again. It was a heading 2 and it was all the way down there. We are fast moving. Okay. So, so that's basically how you set up the contents list on the side of your book. So you can navigate it. It's not for the reader. The reader will read your contents list at the very beginning, and let's hope it's up there, which it is. There's your contents list. They're going to read it very quickly. They're not going to look at it again. But when you're editing a book, when you're writing a book, you need to be able to jump up and down the document, and then you know what to put there. So we hit sales gold. You know what to put there. So I think that's a very important technical tip on how to actually structure the outside and structure the navigation of the book.